you, so tell me what you vision for. Yeah, these bitches ain't slimy enough. Yeah, these niggas not slimy enough. Yeah, these bitches ain't slimy enough. Yeah, these niggas not slimy enough.
Hey guys, it's Nicole Crystal and I'm coming to you with a new video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. And today we're just gonna be doing, let's just call it a slat look, cause you know, y'all ain't slime enough. Y'all ain't slime enough. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. I'm not gonna be doing so much talking. So as you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera, and firstly I'll be prepping my face with some milk of magnesia and a cotton ball just to take away the oiliness on my skin. I am only applying this in my T-zone area and underneath my eyes because those are the areas that tend to get a little bit more oily under my makeup. So I'll be using this brown from my Morphe 3502 palette as a transition color, and I'll be using my Morphe 441 brush to blend that in over my crease. Then I'll be going in with a slightly darker brown from the same palette, and I'll be using my Morphe E22 brush just to blend that brown on my crease. Here I'm just using whatever's left on my M441 brush to blend out everything seamlessly. So I'll be using the same transition shade just to apply a little bit more brown onto my lids. So today we'll be doing something a little different. Before getting into the liner and fancy stuff, we'll be doing my face first. So to do that, I'll be using my Anastasia foundation in the shade 440C, and I'll be using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush just to blend my foundation out. To highlight my face, I'll be using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and to apply it, I'll be using my P. Louise concealer brush. Then to give my highlight a little bit more pop, I'll be going in with a slightly lighter shade in the LA Girl concealer named Medium Beige, just underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. Then to contour, I'll be using my black Opal contour stick in the color Carob, and we'll just be putting that on underneath my cheekbones and on my forehead and on my nose. So to blend out my highlight, I'll be using a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'll be spraying some rose water on it just to give it an extra pop. I don't know why I do it, but I do it. And we'll just be blending out all the places that I put my concealer. Okay, back to reality. So to blend out my contour, I'll be using the same Real Techniques foundation brush. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm using that same P. Louise concealer brush, and I'm basically using patting motions just to blend out that nose highlight. And to blend out the contour, I'll be using like a flat sculpting brush that I got from the beauty supply store. And yeah, that helps with sculpting the nose. You get what I'm saying? So here comes my favorite part, which is the setting, the baking, whatever you want to call it. So to set my face today, I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup, which is my go-to setting powder for everything, and I'll be using that same damp sponge. If you want that flawless, no flashback look for your face, you have to press the powder into your skin before you can bake. Make sure that powder is actually sitting on your skin. So I use this sponge for my nose because it helps me put the powder exactly where I want it to be. So to set my contour, I'll be using my RubyKisses powder foundation in the shade Honey Brown. I will also be using my e.l.f. highlighting brush to do so. To set the contour on my nose, I'll be using a fluffy angled brush and the same powder foundation from RubyKisses. Here I'm just quickly setting underneath my contour for that sharper look. Now we're just gonna wipe all that excess powder away with my Real Techniques setting brush. Time to put on some blush. So the blush that I'll be using today is BH Cosmetics Pro Blush Palette, and I'll be using these 3 colors. And to apply that, I'll be using my Real Techniques blush brush. Alright, let's get into the liddy part. So we will be doing our slat liner or slime liner, whatever you want to call it. And to outline it, I'll be using some gel eyeliner because I have more control over it rather than the liquid liner. And guys, you can do this your own way, your own style. If you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, then you can. So I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I was a little nervous doing this liner myself because if you know, I have very shaky hands. I don't know where I get it from, if like that's an issue I have, but I have shaky hands and I was scared this was not gonna turn out right. But you just gotta believe in yourself. I made a little mistake here because that liner don't look too good, so I ended up going to clean it up off camera because y'all know I was not feeling that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm basically just doing squiggles, like a squiggle eyeliner, and I'm trying to make the eyeliner thick enough so that I can fit the color inside and also fit like the little waves, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doing my own thing. So guys, just get creative with this, do whatever, and yeah. So this is me really trying to figure out if I like it or not, but I ended up liking it. So y'all know how slime tends to have like little droplets or anything. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna add that below the underneath the liner. I'm only adding 2 drops. You could add 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe even 1. It doesn't really matter. It's just however you want to interpret it, that's how you could do it. I'm doing 2, a big one and a small one. So now we'll just be coloring in the lines. Like, you know how they say in elementary school, you gotta stay inside the lines when you coloring? Yeah, that's what you gotta do with this. So this green that I'm using today is N.Y.X Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Escape. And I love this eyeliner because it is the same shade as my hair, which worked perfectly. And I'm basically just coloring in where you see brown still. Don't color over the black because we need the black to fill as like a shadow, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I don't know where the footage is of me filling in the teardrops and adding in the little waves on the green, but I did that off camera, and now I'm just adding some glitter to the teardrops. I wanted to add an extra little pop, and I didn't want to put glitter under my eyes or on the green, so I just decided to add them on the teardrops, and it came out pretty cute. And also, the glitter that I'm using is by J.cas Beauty. So I'll just be putting some regular black gel liner on my waterline, and I'll be using that same brown from my Morphe 3502 palette and just shading under my eyes, just giving it a little shadow under there. I didn't really catch much great footage under here, but I hope you guys can see a little something. Mascara that I'll be using today is Benefit They're Real Mascara, and I'm just applying some on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. So today we will be going with a more natural lash due to the fact that we still want the details on my eyelids to show. These lashes are by my vendor. set my face, I'll be using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and to highlight, I'll be using Anastasia's GlowKit in Summer and Bronze and Bare Minerals Secret Radiance. Don't forget to smile while you're putting on your highlight, guys. It helps a lot, okay? The brush that I'm using to highlight my cheeks are Morphe's M573 brush, and to highlight my brow bones, the bridge of my nose, and my tear ducts, I'm using Morphe's M321 brush. Okay, so first, before you put anything on your lips, you have to clean your lips with some alcohol or makeup wipe or something, just so whatever you're going to put on your lips actually pops more. So to line my lips, I'll be using one and only lip liner in the shade Muted Brown. Then I went on top of it with some Morphe lip gloss in the shade BOHO. But I wasn't really feeling it too much, so then I just put some LA Colors matte lipstick in the shade All Natural over it. And to add some extra gloss, I just put my RubyKisses Rose Hip lip gloss on top. I'm just going to finish setting my face with Morphe's Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. I told y'all ain't slime enough. Let me stop. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Well, not completely, but I'm just gonna go finish off my hair and stuff, and I'll be back before you know it. So BRB. And I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I enjoyed it, of course. Like, I enjoyed making it. And this is my finished look. We working with the slime team. You ain't slime enough if you can't do this makeup look with me. You ain't slime enough, period. So, I dare all of you guys to recreate this look and tag me in it, do whatever you want, and send it to me. Alright? Alright. Later, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I know, like, all I've been doing is makeup videos, but there will be more. So you guys just need to keep subscribing, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't you dare give it a thumbs down, because I'll be really mad. And comment if you like the video. So yeah, on that note, later.
On a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad. Right, I got a socket, I can cup you.